Matt's Custom Creations. Matt's Custom Creations. Watch your man build, watch your man build, watch your man build. Lego for you.
Today I'm going to show you how I built this Baja 1000 vehicle I call the Rock Hopper. Here it is back in the studio, and I put suspension all the way around, and I'm using a little G.I. Joe type character as the driver. Here's another view. You can see the front end a little more. A lot of the parts that went into this build came from the box donated by my subscriber Alex and his son Noah. Thanks again, guys. That's the gift that keeps on giving. In the back, you can see that the wing is adjustable. And you can also see the rear suspension, and that round thing back there is the gas tank. Let's see the rear suspension in action. There is a straight axle back here, but there's enough give that it appears to be totally independent. Here's the front suspension, a little squeeze there. Looking above, you can see the engine is actually sitting behind the driver. The chassis is mostly made of these truss type parts, and you can see the transmission pan under there. Now let's remove the side panels. And you can see the engine sitting there. You can see the cylinder banks. It's a little V8 engine stuffed back there. Here's what it looks like from above. And here it is without its body panels. In the back you can see the gas tank, and there's also a universal joint. So let's get this thing outside where it belongs. Okay, I'm strapped in for my first run. Whee! Man, that was fun. How about we do it again?
Hey dude, are you alright?
Okay.